Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable nightlight mode on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for nightlight. Best results, you come back with nightlight right above system settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then it says night light settings. Screens emit blue light, which can keep you up at night. Night light displays warmer colors to help you sleep. You can go ahead and turn that on by just enabling that right there. You can adjust the strength of the night light filter by dragging this bar to left or right. And you can also schedule the night light to turn on a specific schedule by toggling that on. And then you can select the hours to run night light mode for. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.